Hello, we are at Mr. Gomez's property in Lansing, Illinois on his house roof. We're assessing the roof for some repairs. It appears that the front slope is paid for to be replaced and the back slope is repairs. This is a section of the back slope here that I'm gonna do a repair attempt and document that. This is the current condition of the shingles. All right. Let's start unsealing these and find out where my first shingle is. Matt, come on in here for a second. So it's trying to separate the shingle. Here, come close up right here. And I just had a tear here. I'm very gently trying to unpry these shingles. It's also about a 100-degree day, so these shingles should be very easy to unseal. I'm gonna continue on. I just wanted to show you that as it just happened. This. Okay, so get the phone here, show you before I try to manipulate these even further. I lift this up and I've got these severe chunks of mat transfer here, which are pieces of the shingle. Look at that. So as you can see, we've got big areas here that are not going to reseal. So just on this brief attempt here, whether I was trying to save this shingle or this shingle, upon trying to separate it, I had a huge tear form right here. You can see more chunks of the shingle coming off, and also this severe mat transfer. So now this shingle and this shingle are both damaged, making spot repairs impossible without causing further damage. I'm gonna do one last test here of just simply raising the shingle enough to get a hammer underneath to re-nail if I were to slip a new shingle in there. So 1, 2, 3, okay. Again, just enough here for my hammer. Okay, just enough for my hammer. Okay, so as you can see here, we've got granules very loose and falling off. So you can see a crease starting to form right here, right there, where all these granules are now falling off from me just trying to slightly raise this. Then we got another one forming here and here. This seems to be the worst. So there's no possible way to perform spot repairs on Mr. Gomez's roof. We will be requesting for a full replacement. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.